Okay friends, uh, now this is the second video of a first unit of tool engineering, that is the mechanics of metal cutting. Now today's topic is types of chips in metal cutting. Metal cutting means machining operation. Okay, so there are total three types of chips. First is continuous chip, second is discontinuous chip, and third is built up chip. So let us see. The chip formation is a part of machining process. It is formed during machining of workpiece with the help of cutting tools. The chip depend on the material of workpiece and the tool and the cutting condition. There are mainly three types of chips. That is continuous, discontinuous, and built up edge. Now always remember that chips are always formed during the machining of a operation, during the machining of a workpiece. Okay, now next we will move the different type of chips. First let us see what's meant by continuous chip. So continuous chip, according to its name, continuous chips have a continuous segment. Segment means separate part. Segment means separate part. This chip is formed during cutting of ductile materials like aluminum, mild steel, copper, etc. with a high cutting speed. The friction between tool and material is minimum during this process. This is formed due to continuous plastic deformation of material by application of tool. These chips have equal thickness throughout the length. It generally gives good surface finish. Now see again what is the diagram for the continuous chip. Always remember that this is the diagram of a continuous chip, right? See, this is the continuous chip. This segment is continuous. That means this is the separate part of a chip having the more length as compared to discontinuous chip. Okay, as compared to this discontinuous chip. Again we will move to the discontinuous chip. Now see what are the factors responsible for the formation of this continuous type of chips. First factor, ductile material like mild steel. Second, the large rake angle of tool. Third, high cutting speed. Fourth, minimum friction between the chip and tool interface. And last is small depth of cut. Remember that these factors are responsible for the formation of continuous type of chips. मैंने क्या रहना पड़ता है? Material should be ductile. First condition is material should be ductile like aluminum, copper. There should be large rake angle of tool. There should be high cutting speed of machining. Okay. Now we will see what are the advantages of continuous type of chips. First is better surface finish to the ductile material. Second advantage is less heat generation due to minimum friction between the tool face and chip. Third advantage is low power consumption. Why? Because friction minimum है. यहाँ पे friction क्या है? Is less. It is minimum, so power consumption is low. And long tool life due to less wear and tear, because due to the less friction there is a long tool life for a continuous type of chip formation. टूल का लाइफ क्या होता है यहाँ पे ज़्यादा होता है due to less wear and tear. Now we will move to the second type of chip. First we will see the diagram of discontinuous type of chip. See, this is the diagram of discontinuous type of chip. These are the small segments 1, 2, 3. This is the long segments, but in discontinuous type of chip these are the short segments of the chip. Now we will move to the discontinuous type of chip. See, according to its name, this chip form in segments. Segment means separate part. But in this discontinuous, the length of this segment is short as compared to continuous type. It is formed when machining of a brittle material like cast iron, brass, etc. with slow cutting speed. Chips cut into small segments during cutting. This is formed during slow cutting speed with small rake angle. It is suitable form of chips of machining brittle material. Now, the favorable condition of forming this type of chips are: the workpiece should have brittle in nature, slow speed of cutting, small rake angle of tool, depth of cut should large. Remember that all these three, second, three, fourth factor are opposite to continuous type of chip. Continuous type of chip में हमने क्या दिखाया? हाई कटिंग स्पीड रहती है कंटिन्यूस टाइप में. कंटिन्यूस टाइप में क्या रहता है? लार्ज रेक एंगल रहता है टूल का. कंटिन्यूस टाइप में क्या रहता है? डेप्थ ऑफ कट शुड बी स्लो मिनिमम. यहाँ पे opposite. So what are the factors? Again we will see. The work material should be brittle. There should be a speed of cutting is slow or less. There should be small rake angle of a tool, and the depth of should be large. Okay, so due to these factors, discontinuous chip is formed. Now see, what are the advantages? What are the advantages of a discontinuous type of chips? The formation of discontinuous type of chips in brittle materials provides a good surface finish. It increases the tool life and reduces the consumption of power. Right? Now, disadvantages. When discontinuous chips are formed in the ductile material, भाई यहाँ पे brittle material नहीं है, ये याद रखिए आप. Okay, always remember. Disadvantages: when the discontinuous chips are formed in the ductile material, the workpiece result in a poor surface finish and excessive wear and tear of the tool takes place. This is the disadvantage of the discontinuous chips. Okay, advantage तो आपने याद किया यहाँ पे. Okay, the formation of discontinuous type chips in brittle materials provides good surface finish, increases the tool life, and reduces the consumption of power. Right? Okay. Now again we will move to the third type of chip, that is the last type of chip, that is built up edge. First we will see the diagram of that. See, this is the built up chip. Also it is called as built up edge type of chip. यहाँ पे built up edge लिखा देखा है आप. यहाँ पे built up edge, part of the built up edge is adhered to the work material. Part of the built up edge is adhering to the work material. Also it is stick on the face of a tool like this one. देखो यहाँ पे built up edge on the tool. यहाँ पे है ये black portion, यहाँ पे है black portion. ये कहाँ पे? ये जो मशीनिंग हो गया वर्क सरफेस का. दिस इज ऑलरेडी अ मशीनिंग सरफेस जो कि मशीन हो गया है, उस पर भी ये वेल्डेड मटेरियल स्टिक होता है. यहाँ पे भी ये वेल्ड मटेरियल स्टिक होता है. सो दिस इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट ऑफ द बिल्ट अप टाइप ऑफ chips. What is the built up type of chips? It is very interesting type of chips. We will see how it is formed, how the built up edge type of chips are formed. What are the reasons? We will see. See, continuous chips with built up edge. Continuous chips with built up edge. This is the third type of continuous chips with built up edge. This type of chip is same as the continuous chip except a built up edge. Except a built edge is formed at the face of the tool. It is formed during machining of ductile metal with excessive friction between tool and workpiece. This chip is not smooth as continuous chip. The built-up edge, remember that, the built-up edge formed due to high temperature between tool and workpiece. This high temperature is due to high friction force between tool and workpiece. अब यहाँ पे इंटरेस्टिंग है भाई, हाई टेम्परेचर क्यों क्रिएट हो गया है, हाई फ्रिक्शन क्यों क्रिएट हो गया है? और आप बोलते हैं continuous chips. Okay, let us see how built up edge is formed. Let us see how built up edge is formed. When the chip is flows in upward direction and high friction is exists in between the interface of the chip and tool, due to the high friction between the chip and the tool, a very intense heat is generated at the nose of the tool. The compressed metal adjacent to the tool nose gets welded to it. This compressed metal welded to the nose is called built-up edge. When the chip flows through this built-up edge, it gets broken and carried away by the chip and called as built-up edge chips. The rest of the built-up edge is adhered to the surface of the workpiece and make it rough. Okay, क्या कहा गया है यहाँ पे? Due to the high friction between the chip and tool, यानी कि टूल और चिप ये जो इंटरफेस रहता है यहाँ पे क्या होता है, वेरी इंटेंस हीट इज जनरेटेड एट द नोज ऑफ टूल एंड द कॉम्प्रेस्ड मेटल, यानी कि कौन सा मेटल है यहाँ पे, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट भाई वर्क पीस का ही मटेरियल है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ चिप्स, वो क्या होता है यहाँ पे टूल नोज पे वेल्डेड होता है, टूल नोज गेट्स वेल्डेड. ओके, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट. नाउ यहाँ पे एक बात है इंटरेस्टिंग कि हाई फ्रिक्शन क्यों होगा. हाई फ्रिक्शन की वजह से हाई टेम्परेचर क्रिएट होता है. क्यों? ये तो क्रिएट नहीं होता है ऑर्डिनरी कंटिन्यूस टाइप चिप में, तो हमें देखा ही नहीं है कि हाई टेम्परेचर क्रिएट होता है, हाई फ्रिक्शन क्रिएट होता है. नाउ सी द रीजन लाइंग इन दिस हेडिंग, द कॉमन फैक्टर्स प्रोमोटिंग बिल्ट अप एज. क्यों होता है ये? एक्सेसिव फीड रेट. कंटिन्यूस चिप विद बिल्ट अप एज में क्या रहता है? एक्सेसिव फीड रेट. The small rake angle of the tool, low cutting speed, speed कैसी है? Low cutting speed, and lack of coolant, and this increases the friction between the chip tool interface. Okay, lack of coolant है यहाँ पे, so it increases the friction between the chip tool interface. Chip tool interface यानी कि क्या रहता है? Chip tool interface means what? The interface of a tool and the chip. Friction बढ़ने की वजह से टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है यहाँ पे. Okay, excessive feed rate. Now always remember that excessive feed rate यानी कि डेप्थ ऑफ कट नहीं बढ़ता है भाई. यहाँ पे excessive feed rate क्या है? मैंने आपको ऑर्थोगोनल कटिंग की डायग्राम दिखाई थी, अभी मैं जाता हूँ वहाँ पे. excessive feed rate क्या है देखते हैं हम. excessive feed rate क्या है, राइट? Now we will move on diagram. excessive feed rate, remember excessive feed rate. ये देखिए डायग्राम है. excessive feed rate means while machining this tool should move from right to left direction. This is the feed. So this feed, suppose this movement is at a faster rate, we can say the feed rate is more. Okay, when this cutting tool is moving faster rate with the left direction, we can say the feed rate is more. यहाँ पे क्या स्लोली मूवमेंट करना पड़ता है. यहाँ पे हमने किया है ना वर्क फर्स्ट ईयर में, वर्कशॉप में मशीनिंग का ऑपरेशन किया है हमने. लेकिन आप बहुत जल्दी भागोगे टूल लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन में तो क्या हो जाएगा? फीड रेट बढ़ जाएगा. तो कौन सी टाइप की चिप तैयार हो जाएगी आपकी? बिल्ट अप एज. हाँ, ओके, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट. नाउ बिल्ट अप एज एडवांटेजेस क्या है भाई ये टिप का? चलो एडवांटेजेस भी है यहाँ पे. द मेकिंग ऑफ द बिल्ट अप एज हैज वन एडवांटेज, दैट इज इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द टूल from getting damage from high friction and temperature generated during the machining process, and hence the tool life increases. Okay, this is an advantage. Now what is the disadvantages? The formation of this type of chip results in rough surface finish, change in the rake angle and the cutting force. बराबर है, रफ सरफेस फिनिश तो तैयार हो जाएगा क्योंकि बिल्ट-अप एज आपके मशीन सरफेस पे थोड़ा उसका पोर्शन स्टिक होता है, हमने डायग्राम में देखा है. चेंज इन द रेक एंगल, चेंज इन द रेक एंगल यानी कि टूल फेस पे आपका बिल्टअप एज का पोर्शन स्टिक होता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली थोड़ा सा रेक एंगल चेंज भी हो सकता है, कटिंग फोर्स में वेरिएशन आ सकता है. एडवांटेज क्या देखा है हमने? द मेकिंग ऑफ द built-up edge has one advantage, that it protects the tool from getting damage from high friction temperature generated during the machining process, and hence the tool life increases. Okay, sometimes जो built-up edge है it covers the tool from the high friction and temperature zone. So this is also one advantage, this is the disadvantage. Okay, now last we will see what is the difference. यहाँ पे comparison लिखा है, comparison between continuous, discontinuous and continuous chip with built up edge and tabular form. यहाँ पे क्या है, factors, material, rectangle, cutting speed, friction between tool interface, depth of cut, serial number 1 2 3 4 5, यानी कि 5 comparison point है यहाँ पे, on the basis of material type, on the basis of rectangle, on the basis of cutting speed or we can say machining speed, on the basis of friction between the chip tool interface और on the basis of depth of cut. देखते क्या है, कंटिन्यूस चिप में क्या रहता है, मटेरियल डक्टाइल रहता है. डक्टाइल मटेरियल कौन से भाई, MS है, बाद में कॉपर है, एल्यूमिनियम है. डिसकंटिन्यूस चिप में मटेरियल कैसे रहता है, ब्रिटल रहता है, ब्रिटल यानी कि, और डक्टाइल बट हार्ड यानी कि कास्ट आयरन देखा है हमने, कास्ट आयरन और ब्रास. कंटिन्यूस चिप में डक्टाइल लाइक MS. रेक्टेंगल कैसा रहता है कंटिन्यूस चिप में, लार्ज. डिसकंटिन्यूस में कैसा रहता है, स्मॉल. बिल्टअप एज में कैसे रहता है, स्मॉल. कटिंग स्पीड कैसी रहती है कंटिन्यूस चिप में, हाई. डिसकंटिन्यूस चिप में मीडियम और हाई. कंटिन्यूस चिप में विद बिल्टअप एज में कटिंग स्पीड कैसी रहती है, लो और मीडियम. कंटिन्यूस चिप में फ्रिक्शन बिटवीन द चिप टूल इंटरफेस कैसा रहता है, मिनिमम. इसलिए तो सरफेस फिनिश बहुत अच्छी रहती है कंटिन्यूस चिप में. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ गुड सरफेस फिनिश in the continuous chip type of formation. Why? Because the friction between the chip to interface is very minimum. It is very minimum. Discontinuous में ये क्या रहता है, फ्रिक्शन मैक्सिमम. कंटिन्यूस में इसमें क्या रहता है, फ्रिक्शन मैक्सिमम. अब भाई इसलिए तो कंटिन्यूस चिप में बिल्टअप एज का फॉर्मेशन होता है ना, ये फ्रिक्शन ज़्यादा रहता है मैक्सिमम. कहाँ पे, कंटिन्यूस चिप विद बिल्टअप एज. इसलिए तो कंटिन्यूस चिप में बिल्टअप एज फॉर्म होती है. डेप्थ ऑफ कट कैसा रहता है कंटिन्यूस चिप में, स्मॉल. यहाँ पे कितना रहता है, हाई. और यहाँ पे कैसा रहता है, मीडियम. सो फ्रेंड्स, वी विल स्टॉप दिस लेक्चर ऑन द टाइप ऑफ चिप्स. यहाँ पे क्या सीखा है हमने, व्हाट आर द टाइप ऑफ चिप्स. अगेन रिमेंबर दैट देयर आर 3 टाइप ऑफ चिप्स, continuous chips, discontinuous chips and continuous chip with built up edge. Okay, we will stop here. Bye bye, and in next lecture we'll start a new topic of the first unit, that is mechanics of the metal cutting of the subject tool engineering. Okay.